Hey YouTube, I just want to say thanks to my supporters. Thanks to those especially who subscribe to my channel and all my returning viewers. It's a bit windy, but I'll do this video anyways, man. I take no pleasure in reporting to you today that another TikToker has fallen, man. Another TikToker has been unalive. Y'all have seen it over the internet already, so I don't need to share the video. But what I can say is, man, it's very unfortunate what is happening to these TikTokers, man. I warned you in my earlier videos. You can go and check it out on the channel. The first like 3 or 4 videos, I'm telling these youths, get off the corner, because the corner isn't safe, man. I told them that I said, listen, 2025 is right around the corner. Not everyone is gonna make it there, man. And see, another TikToker. First it was Naya Gang. He lost his life. Uh he nearly met his demise on live camera on TikTok live. We could have seen this guy destroyed right before our eyes. Luckily he ran off, and what happened. And that's about, I doubt it's 3 weeks since that has happened, and now 41 Busshead is gone, man. 41 Busshead is no longer with us, and I'm in a somber mood right now. Not that I knew the guy, but these TikTokers, man, they have become a target. Yeah, quite frankly, I can see that they're being targeted. I guess they're being too successful is hurting a lot of people. And you have to remember, man, Jamaica is not all sunshine and butterflies, man. It's a battlefield out there when you're trying to make it, and others are suffering. Others are poverty ridden. Stuff can happen, man. Stuff can happen and happen quickly. I don't know the circumstances right now around his demise, or what caused it, what led to it. But what I can say is, man, Jamaica needs to stop destroying its potential, man, because these guys, they're killing the TikTokers, and the TikTokers are out here showing you a new way how to make it in life. A new way has opened up, a new avenue has been opened up, and they are the pioneers for this TikTok generation. They're showing you that you can make it on TikTok. You can make something out of life on TikTok. And this is what is happening. The first thing that happened that erupted on the internet was TJ being assaulted by Romesha's team of bodyguards. And then Naya Gang almost died on his live. And now 41 Busshead has been destroyed right in front of our eyes. Now, I just want to say, man, Jaden, you better be careful. Pops YG, you better be careful. Jaden, they're thinking about Jaden as the epitome of TikTok success right now. And they're watching you. I heard them telling you about your crown that you're driving. And I've heard the threats coming out to you about you doing fellatio on the ladies. So you don't have to do you don't have to do anybody anything for a man to just walk up to you, Jaden, and they just gas you out, man. They just air you out just like that. So Pops YG, Jaden, you just be careful, man, because TikTok, it's a bad time in the TikTok era right now. TikTokers are dying left and right. And as I said, it's very unfortunate what happened with 41 Busshead. RIP, rest in peace, and we just don't want this violence to be uh, proliferated any further. Just end it right there. Whatever happened, man, to Naya Gang, whatever happened to 41 Busshead, I don't know if it's related, but if it is, let just end it, man. Just end it right there, and leave the girls and the guys, and let them do their TikTok in peace. Until the next video, Bright Spock saying peace, prosperity, and longevity, man.